Ever stare at that login failed error on Instagram, feeling completely locked out of your digital life? If you're struggling to get into your Instagram account, don't panic. This quick guide will walk you through everything you need to do to get back in, safely and efficiently. First things first, the most common culprit is a forgotten password on the Instagram login screen. Look for the Forgot Password or Get Help Logging In option, tap that. Here, you'll likely be prompted to enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Instagram will then send you a reset link. Check your inbox and spam folder. Just in case, for that email, click the reset link and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new, strong password. Remember to make it unique. What if you're sure your password is correct but still can't log in? It might be that your username or phone number isn't recognized. Double-check for any typos when entering your login details. Sometimes, Instagram might temporarily restrict your account for certain activities. If you've received a notification about this, follow the instructions provided to resolve it. This could involve verifying your identity. If none of these steps work, or if you suspect your account might have been hacked, it's time to visit the Instagram Help Center. Search for login issues or recover account. The Help Center offers various options for reporting problems and seeking further assistance. You can usually find options to report a compromised account or other login-related issues. Fill out any required forms accurately and patiently. By following these steps, you should be back to scrolling, posting, and connecting on Instagram in no time. Good luck.